also a lovely day because we are gathered here in this moment, in the small corner of the earth, with a common intention. Because we have traveled with us many a great distance to express our support and solidarity to Lauren and Emily as they make official what has already long been true, as they seal themselves to one another and promise before the humans that they cherish most in the world a lifetime of relationship, respect, and fidelity. Today, in front of your chosen community, you celebrate the weaving together of your lives and you declare your intention to become one. I challenge you as you step into your journey together to nurture the two halves that comprise the whole. Develop them, fortify them, pull in the direction of yourselves. Be faithful to attend to your needs, remain true to your unique ideas and opinions. In doing so, you will give your togetherness the opposing force that it needs to remain strong, dependable, and solid. Lauren, you come to things slowly and purposefully, and you give your whole self when you do. Doing what is right is deeply important to you, but you never let rightness come before what is true, and your truth is humanity, and empathy and grace. When I first saw you with Birdie, my heart spilled over with the recognition of that truth. You looked into her, not at her. You held her with your touch and your gaze. And all of that sincerity and authenticity and the truth of your love was reflected back to you in the way that she met you with her eyes and returned it. Lauren, your rope has been carefully braided of that same truth. It is pliable and dependable and sincere. Emily, I knew you first by your paper cranes. Dozens and dozens of them on Lauren's desk, each one intricately, thoughtfully pressed and folded, each one an expression of your affection. And I knew I liked you. Knowing you now, there is no question why Lauren's face softened when you are wickedly smart. You see things by their parts and intuitively know the mechanics of the whole. When you look at Lauren, there is a knowing, a respect, a protective force that is the glue of your partnership. Your end of the strand is solid, thick. And today those two strands become one terminally. The anchor that you are creating together will be the thing that lets you catch your breath and swing back towards safety. In the spirit of love and community, Lauren and Emily have asked that their dear friend Lola White sing Come Away With Me.
Come away with me in the night. Come away with me and I will write you a song. Come away with me on a bus. Come away where they can't test us with their lies. I wanna walk with you on a cloudy day, fields where the yellow grass goes knee high. So won't you try to find, come away with me on a mountain top. Come away with me and I never stop loving you. Come away.
It is my deep privilege to present to you, for the first time, the newlyweds, Lauren and Emily. Emily and Lauren, please seal your vows with a kiss.
Everybody always talks about wanting to find a partner who makes them better, but when I see Birdie and Lauren together, that phrase has a whole new meaning. Birdie and Lauren, I can't wait to see the family that you build together, the community you continue to foster, and whatever you two decide to do together, it's going to be backed by love and kindness, and we're all here to cheer you on. So I love you both so much.
Really, it's wonderful seeing so many people surrounding these two amazing, beautiful women. As a younger sister, she's actually taught me so much. Yeah.
Seeing the interactions that they have with all of those that are here together today, I am sure that they will reach their 50-year mark and beyond, and we're just so thankful to have y'all in our life, and thank you for just having us here as models, and wish you the best.
Just a little word of advice: if you get tired, quit. Whoops, excuse me, you've amended that. If you get tired, just rest. And they will continue on and have a wonderful life together.
And then as Emily's dad, I wanted to give a personal shout out to the Frisbee folks. Emily's always been a really focused kiddo, right? What the Frisbee folks provided for her was they upped her fun game. I mean, not just on the field, but in life in general. In Hebrew, l'chaim, to life. I always thought that was a wonderful post. And in Chinese and Cantonese, Gao Boi is drink to the bottom. There's nothing like people who love and support you. And just a wonderful thing to think about.